today I want to show you my project Meditravel, and this is the folder of Meditravel, repo of Meditravel. So I go to on my link, Meditravel website link. Okay, and this is UI of Meditravel. So first of all, we log in Meditravel, and here is already Gmail and password is written by me. So sign in, and this is my Meditravel website. So first of all, this website is helpful for tourists because of when tourists go to tour anywhere, there is a problem of health issue because of sometimes some people anywhere is not available all type of food, so it's possible not do to live without food. So it's possible uh, it's possible availability of doctors, and so people don't know which doctor, where doctor is good and best for tourists. So tourists find best doctors through this app. This app is when you can search here. You have need of physician, you can go to here, and you need dentist surgery, for surgery and for therapy, anything you can search here. And after that you have in my app a facility that in emergency situation, this is the symbol of emergency situation. In emergency situation, your location is being tracked when you can enter here, and this is the emergency call number, and when you can call, because this is 911 is number of ambulance. When you call on it, it will be available as soon as fast. And from here you can search any doctor. Suppose you want to appointment for Dr. Sarah Johnson, so click on this and book appointment, and on date and on available times. So proceed to payment, and I don't need to proceed to payment because I want to show you my website. It's not usable currently for me because it's for tourists. So I want to go to back from here, and this is your profile section. Suppose this is Ankit Sharma from India, and they are traveling from to India to Thailand, and it is their heartbeat active, and here is functions, blood type, allergies, married link cards, appointments, reminders for, and here is a function, privacy, theme, and more. So from here you can change your password in this, and this is for appearance. This is dark mode, and this is light mode. So this was my all journey of my website of Meditravel. And main motto of this website is to because there is problem when a tourist want to tour from one place to another place, and he has not known which doctor is best and where is doctor and how he will reach to the doctor. So this website is useful for that tourists, and from this website he can choose a best doctor, and he can live healthy from these from contacting these doctors. So this was all about my journey of project Meditravel. That's helpful for tourists. And so, thank you, all of you. And this was my whole website. Thank you.